Oh, look, a firefly glowing in the dark. That might be a good sign. Wish me good luck, Firefly. God knows I really need it. So you see, Mr. Firefly. My name is Hotaru, like yours, and this is going to be my third date with this girl called Hikari, which also means light in Japanese. So I guess that is fair to say that my life has turned into a very bad joke indeed. So on our first date, we went for wine tasting on the boat, and we had a good time. Except that I made the situation awkward by dressing with a formal suit and a bow tie. I don't know. To me, wine tasting sounded really posh, like going to the opera. I even asked ChatGPT, but he doesn't seem to be that much of an expert either. Then came our second date in the German bakery. This time I got the right dress code since I asked a much more reliable source, my mother, heh. But then I wanted to surprise a Hikari by secretly ordering 2 fancy cakes. It turns out that she is lactose intolerant. I got into a panic, so in order to get out of the embarrassing situation, I ate both cakes as quick as possible. The result that second date? An indigestion that has kept me in bed for 3 days. Well, I know it sounds weird, but seeing now the boat at night, I suddenly imagine the building as a phantasmagorical gigantic insect with its translucent skin revealing its bones and interior organs. In this nightmarish vision, I cannot help but being attracted by its glowing bright light, as I am about to be shallowed by its enormous square mouth, with its tongue-like stare leading the way towards this monster's digestive system. So, am I somebody that just happens to have a wild imagination? Or a man that needs to visit a psychiatrist as soon as possible? Well, I guess both. Okay, now, let's stop the unproductive self-pity. Try to relax. Look at the beautiful view of Doho Park at dusk. And now go inside and just try to enjoy a nice dinner with Hikari at the boat.
I make a date for gold, and you can bet your life it rains. I try to give a party, and the guy upstairs complains. I guess I'll go through life just catching colds and missing trains. Everything happens to me.
Oh, there she is, wearing her beautiful red dress.
I never miss a thing. I've had the measles and the mumps, and when I play an ace, my partner always trumps. I guess I'm just a fool who never looks before he
Good evening,
jumps.
Hikari. How are you?
Good. How are you, Hotaru? You told me that you got sick the day after we met in the coffee shop. Everything okay?
Yes, sure.
So what happened?
What?
Yes, what happened? Why did you get sick?
Me? Why did I get sick? Oh, nothing. Forget about it. I just got beaten by an insect.
What? You were in bed for 3 days just because you were beaten by an insect? Really?
Well, no. I mean, yes. But it was a big insect. A very big insect indeed. An enormous, gigantic insect.
Well, good to know that you are still alive. So shall we have a glass of wine?
Yes, that sounds great. Did you have a look at the menu?
Yes. I was thinking about ordering this seafood spaghetti and then maybe some fruit salad as dessert.
Your answer was